Hello, Leona. Can you start to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am
Yes.
and sir. My name is Leonalyn A. Alberto, ma'am. I'm 40 years old, high school graduate.
Yes.
I have two children.
You're a Christian, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have two children. My daughter is 17 years old. My son is 13 years old.
Yes.
And my work experience is in Saudi Arabia, September 2017 up to 2022 December, ma'am.
5 years, same family.
Yes, ma'am. 5 years and one employer, ma'am.
Okay.
And then my main duties, ma'am, I have two employers, ma'am, two adults, ma'am. And my main duties, ma'am, I'm cleaning the house,
Yes.
I'm cooking,
Mm.
I'm ironing,
Mm.
and then also we have one car washing, ma'am.
Mm.
Then also after that, ma'am, I going to the mother's-in-law house, ma'am, to helping
Mother-in-law's
yes,
house,
ma'am.
right? Two
Yes,
house
ma'am.
cleaning means, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have two cleaning house, ma'am. My mother's-in-law is employer.
Mm.
Then I going to the mother's-in-law employer to also cleaning the house,
Mm.
also cooking, to preparing the food for the visitors,
Mm.
and also I'm car washing. Then we have sisters-in-law. We go to the house also, ma'am,
Mm.
to helping to taking care kids, the 2 years old
Mm.
a boy, ma'am, to helping feeding.
Yes.
Then we have playing like
Ay.
that, ma'am. Then after that, ma'am, I'm take a bath.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. Then after that, ma'am, after 5 years, ma'am, I'm decided to going to the Philippines. Then I'm planning to applying in the Hong Kong
Mm.
to highest salary, ma'am,
Yes.
to provide my family, ma'am, also. Then I'm working in Hong Kong, ma'am, in Chunwan, ma'am.
Yes.
I have two employer, two adults,
So it's
ma'am.
2023
Yes,
August
ma'am.
to
Yes.
2026 March, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fee-
Starting at August 2023 until March 28, 2026, ma'am.
Nearly 3 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
I have two adults employer, one kid,
Mm.
baby girl, 2 years old, 2 years old, 4 months, ma'am. Then my main duties, ma'am, is taking care of kids, ironing, also to cleaning the house, cooking, marketing. Then my duties also, ma'am, my babies going to the school, I'm dropping and sending my babies like that, ma'am. Then actually, ma'am, then we have 1 day off in the 1 month, ma'am, because
You means that you only every month you have a 1 day off, right?
yes, ma'am, because
Yeah.
my employers will go to the travel business
Mm.
always, ma'am. So I think few weeks vacation, ma'am.
Mm.
Then me and my babies are only in the home, ma'am. Then we have one cat to taking care, ma'am.
Okay, but
Yes.
why you only work 3 years? Get terminated?
Yes, ma'am. I'm mistake, ma'am, that's why to terminate my employer, ma'am. I'm asking to borrow money for my emergency family in Philippines, ma'am. Then she upset, ma'am. Then she frustrated, ma'am, because I cannot because I can asking to borrow a money, ma'am.
Because you asked your mom to borrow money
Yes,
for your
ma'am.
family issue.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why you got terminated, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
She frustrated me.
Yeah.
Then, yes, ma'am, I allowed that, ma'am. I accepted, ma'am, to my fault, ma'am. Then,
Your employer let you have 2 months to find another new employer.
yes, ma'am. She gave me another until 2 months to finding another employer, ma'am. I have a reference letter from my employer, ma'am. Then I hope, ma'am, you give me a chance to learn. I cannot do it again, ma'am. Then I hope, ma'am, you give me a chance to improve myself, ma'am, and I hope, and I promise, ma'am, I can do it again. I'm trustworthy, ma'am. I'm very loving kids, ma'am. I love cooking, ma'am. Also, ma'am. But if you give me a chance, ma'am, I show you the best, ma'am, Cheche, ma'am. But I cannot promise. Sometimes I have I'm not perfect, ma'am, but I show you, ma'am, my best, my working, ma'am.
Okay. Goodbye.
Yes.
I will try to help you find job.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you.